In this video, I am going to be doing 2 flat twists, and at this time you can see my little glitter and my edges are smoothed back, and I actually want to show you my part as well. So I do have a mirror on the back of my door in my bathroom, and I use the mirror in front of me to do my parting. So these are the tools that I'm going to use in this video as well. So I do want to welcome you to Like Love Luxury, to Braid or Not to Braid. So I do want to talk about the verb forming fiber as well as the foaming gel. It's kind of like mousse, but I use that on my hair, and I think it's really good because it doesn't make it hard, but it is kind of sticky when you put it on your edges. As you can see, I'm just showing you the back of my hair and what my parting looks like. And to be honest with you, I did stop the video just to put the forming fiber on the middle of my head, like right in my root, so that I can brush my hair down. I think it's really important when you are going to do flat twisting, you have short hair like me, that you take the time to like comb through your hair as well as get a structure in what you want to do. And at this time, unfortunately, I am doing my own little thing with the camera. So I have the camera in my hand and I'm spraying the back of my head, and I just want to show you what I'm doing as far as, just the tools that I use when it comes to doing a flat twist. Now my hair is cut in a style, and now that it's grown out of it, oh, I can't talk today. Now it has grown out and it's just in this awkward phase. It's like I have to figure out what I'm going to do with my hair moving forward. And it's kind of funny to me because I've been through this before. Like I did the big chop when I was 25, and I did have an awkward phase too. Actually, when I was growing out my hair, I did like 2 strands, and then in the middle of me doing 2 strands, it was just in this awkward phase where it wasn't long and it wasn't short, like this right here. My hair isn't long, but it's not short. It's just in this awkward phase. see the twist, and as you can see, there is a little bit of hair sticking out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and retwist my hair again. Now this is the part where it does take a little bit of time, because you want to make sure that your twist is catching all of the hair. And since my hair is kind of like short in the middle, I wanted to make sure that my hair was actually caught into the twist when I'm twisting. So I actually had to do this maybe 3 different times to make sure that it was the way that I want it to be. Not only that, but I was also making sure that I smooth back my edges, because I really don't like that fuzzy part when you're twisting and it has like this, I don't know what you call it. It's almost like a hump, but I wanted it to be smooth. And when I'm using the forming fiber with Verb, I like the fact that it doesn't make my hair hard after I'm done with styling my hair. So that was something that I really just enjoyed, because I make my own gel when it comes to my hair as well. And I'm sure a lot of you, if you DIY your things, flaxseed gel maybe works really well for you, because I like how it feels. And, you know, throwing a little bit of essential oils in it as well makes it do a little different, have a little different texture. It's not really sticky, it's more gooey. But with the forming fiber, it's different. It feels different, but it does what I want it to do. So here I'm just working on my twist, what I was talking about a little bit earlier, and how I wanted to make sure I catch all of my hair. And the way that I'm recording this video, you can't really tell. I'm going to have to figure out how to get it to where you can actually see. So then you can see the little fuzzies, and then in the back, I didn't catch as much, but I'm going to try it again later. But I wanted to actually get the side and smooth the side out. The side was a lot easier because it's a little bit longer than the top of my head. Not only that, but the way that I parted my hair, I could actually grip the sides a little bit better too. So I hope you really do enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to just hop off of here and stay towards the end. That will literally have you working all day. I'm trying to get, let me see. There we go. So you can see, I did put a bobby pin up in it, and the front is still kind of fuzzy right in here, but that's okay. I'm about to wrap my hair and keep it moving, because when I tell you I've probably been doing this for about more than 2 hours, It's been more than 2 hours. Okay, so I wanted to go over the tools that I use. So I did use this, and I used that on the edge and in the middle of my hair. I did put a little bit of the edge control that I use from Verb on there as well. I also have this spray bottle here. I call it the Mist. When I used to make Malia's crown, I mixed up essential oils and just all water in it. And I sprayed this on my hair. And I actually use this for a detangler as well as just a little mist for my hair. So this is a wide tooth comb. This is, it's like an edge brush, but it has a comb as well. But I was using this to part my hair as I was combing with the wide tooth comb. This is a little bit different. Now, the combs that I have in my loft are a little bit different as well, because this will break. This is not plastic by any means. If I slam this hard enough, it would literally break in half. So you want to be careful. And I got this because I thought it was cute. And I was like, oh yeah, this could be my style. And if you could see, there's color in there. So when I colored my hair a while ago, I combed through it and it stained it. So I was like, I won't be able to use different color wide tooth combs. I need the hard plastic one that will not break, because yes, I have broken one of those. This brush right here is something that I think everybody should have, and I'm gonna clean my brushes, but I had this since I was in cosmetology school, and I haven't really seen this brush in a while, but this is really good for when you're brushing your hair back, and just with your edges as well, even when your hair, and this is a good brush for when your hair is already detangled. You do not want to use this brush when your hair is not detangled, trust me. Okay, so some people call this a dimming brush, some people call this a wig brush. I mean, yeah, you could call it whatever you want, but this brush right here is very good for detangling, as well as just making sure that you keep your style on point. And I actually like to use this brush once my hair is detangled. So once my hair is detangled, I'll use it. I have to make sure that my hair goes really well with my fingers. This right here, I'm trying to keep it out of the camera. I'm gonna move that. That is actually the curl foaming gel, and that's what I was using in my hair as well. Now with the edge control that I use by Verb as well, it's called forming fiber, and it's the edge control. So they have two different things, but this is considered like a styling balm hold edge control. That's basically what you could use that for. And I was just how can I put this? It makes it hard right when you put it on your hair, but it loosens up. So I really do like it. It's just something that's a little bit different. I don't use it as much when I'm braiding hair. I use the sculpting clay, but I could do another video on both of those products at a different time. But these are the tools that I use today. And I also use this ponytail holder for a clip. I noticed that I don't have any clips or clamps in this, and that's because, you know, I was unorganized, and I'm at home. And I need to clean up today, but I was like, I need to do my hair because I haven't really been feeling like myself, and my hair is actually in that awkward phase. So it was just like, okay, let's get this together so I can get this done. So tell me if you have this brush, and like, what do you think about it? I actually want to get another one, but I'm gonna be honest with you. It's hard to come by these brushes, so make sure that you find one that actually works for you, because this one, I have another one that comes apart, but these are the two that I really do like when it comes to detangling. I like this one as well, and like I said, I had this since I was in cosmetology school. I have a different tools at the loft as well. I'm gonna probably do another video just about tools and go into further depth, but I did want to just talk about the ones that I was using for today with my hair. I'm really excited just for the different structure of how we're doing our videos. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sharing is caring, and I will see you guys soon.